kids, this is journal entry part 3, and right now
It's raining.
it's, who are you texting? It's 4:56.
I'm texting Caitlin and Danny. I told her to kill
And-
herself. Lol.
Did you really?
No, no. She said that she was gonna kill herself, and I said, "Okay."
What?
And then I said, "Lol, JK."
Okay, look guys, like we wanted to journal it because it's like raining.
Look at all the rain. You see
Like,
rain.
and you see the little
look
ants,
Look at the
like-
bug. Look at
Look.
no, look at that one. Look.
Oh my god, watch it scurry.
Oh my god.
I hope it's not bi. I don't want to get gay. Oh my god, look at that. Look. Oh wait, I'm not even getting it. Okay, so like, yeah, we're seen.
We are. We're so seen.
And like, since it's raining. Oh my god. Yeah, it's like, since it's raining, I guess there's nothing to do. I hate text. You see, hate.
We're so loved. We're like too loved. We're definitely.
I know, and
too
I like
loved.
love my song. Have you ever heard of Paramore? You probably haven't. There's like, and I'm seeing like, yeah.
Everybody's just like so. They just want to be us. You
They
know?
really
But
do.
they can't.
I know, and they're
Sorry.
probably like gonna like memorize what we say in this journal update, cause like,
And then they're probably gonna like take videos of it at home
my God,
and
and they're, like,
try to make
imitate
fun of
us.
it. Like, but they know that they're just not as cool, and they just wish they could be us, and they can't.
I know. So yeah, we're gonna like go now. There'll probably be a part 4.
I mean, like we have a life, so we have to go now. But like,
Yeah.
we might like journal later after we get done like fucking a scene guy or something.
Cause like we have a life. We have a life.
We do. It's not just MySpace, even
It's
though
not.
we do have like 10.7K whatever.
It's like sup MySpace, sup. Fuck it. Oh my god, my throat hurts.
Oh my god.
Like, lol. Okay, I might need to go take some drugs. Okay.
Oh my god, rain.
Oh my god, rain. It might mess up my hair, cause your hairspray is weak. Look at that rain. Watch it rain. Watch it. You can't tell, but it's raining really fucking hard. Watch that car go by. Fuck. Oh, I hope someone sees this.
Well, oh my god, I hope she does.
Oh my god, me too. Oh my god, look at that car. So, oh my god, it's my neighbor. Okay, like, bye.